first, tell me how you feel, don't say you fine. We back and forth every time out of line, but I'm lying if I say we don't got the time. It ain't my fault, ain't my fault. It's a blind spot or a state of mind. Can't even tell the difference if you real or when you lying. I be doubting all the benefits, but fuck it, I don't mind. I handle this shit like my overall 99. Inadvertently you be hurting me, no cap. The curtain closed, the lights dim, it's a steel trap. You can't tell me you don't do that shit. You can't be on the gram, new phone, who this, I know to use probably sunlight, and then again that's probably why we fight, but I ignore it. Separating all the lies to see if we could vibe. I'll be waiting outside saying baby we'll be fine. There's not much more I must say. You're so busy through the day. I know that you wanna stay. You just wanna work and play. There's not much more I must say. You're so busy through the day. I know that you wanna stay. You just wanna work and play. Storytelling hereditary, I fill the void. I make space in my own pace, I don't wait. I'm on point, I'm all for it, it's nothing else. Saying it's a hobby, nigga, this is all I fucking do. Hate when niggas say they understand, you don't understand. How I got a fucking degree inside of my father's crib. When your boy gonna